In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Presonus AudioBox USB driver issue. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Presonus AudioBox support. And then from here, you want to go to this website, which is support documents and downloads, and you just want to open this up. And from here, from the website, you have to wait a few seconds for this to load, and then there we go. Over here, under category, you will have to specify what you want to see. So you want to click audio interfaces over here and then select your product. So it's going to be an audio box. It just depends which one you have. And for example, let's say we have audio box Go. You want to tap on that, so click that, and under operating system, you want to find your operating system. So usually it's going to be Windows, I'm assuming, or Mac, or whatever you're using. So just find yours. For me, it's Windows 11. I'm going to click on that. And from here, once you've put all this in correctly, you want to press Show Results. And as you can see, you've now got two different things. You've got the documents and the software downloads. Now, the documents are usually just quick start guides and owner's manuals. So if you just want to read these in your language, you can find them in your language, download them by clicking on them, and you can read through. However, that's not really what we're doing right now. What we want to do is fix driver issues. And the way you do this is by going to software downloads over here, and then you want to download the latest drivers. So the way of you doing this is actually clicking on the very top. So over here at the very top, it's a version 4.6, as you can see, and at the very bottom, there's older versions. So you want to download the latest version by simply clicking on it. So just click on the latest version and it's going to download for you automatically onto your computer. As you can see, it did that in a few seconds. Then what you just want to do is click on it and then install those new drivers and that software, and via that you'll be able to fix your driver issues. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.